Hi, my name is Lauren, and today I'm going to discuss how to make your hair blonde. One way that we like to get that lighter effect and have your hair be a little bit more blonde is by highlighting. You can actually get home highlighting kits and kind of paint on your own highlights. The more highlights you put on your hair, the blonder you will look. You want to get a home highlighting kit and make sure that you get the proper one for your hair color. If you have dark hair, you must get the one for the dark hair because it's going to have a higher volume of peroxide and it's going to lift your hair more levels. In order to paint them on, you are simply going to pick up pieces that you would like to be a little bit blonder, and you are going to use a brush. Now, within the home hair lighting kits, they do give you all of the tools that you will need. They do give you the brush in order to paint them on, and they will also give you gloves. You're going to put gloves on, and then you're going to simply paint on the highlights from root to end. As this processes, it's going to lift. I'm lifting random pieces wherever I'd like that highlight to be. I am painting on the lightener, and then I'm simply dropping that piece. I'm not mushing it down. If you just drop it, then you'll get more of a highlight and there'll be less room for error, mistake, or leopard stripes, which sometimes when people press down too hard, they hit the hair around it and they wind up getting like spots. Highlighting will help brighten up your own hair, natural hair color, will also help lighten it. If you did want to do your entire hair blonde all over, you have two processes that you could do. You could either use a lightener or do a double process, and that will be lifting out the pigmentation all throughout your hair. It would be applied as a color. Double process is very tricky. I do suggest that you see your stylist in order to double process your hair. Another way to do it is with color. Most people, due to their natural hair color, cannot actually get the shade of blonde they desire through just color. If you are going to do more besides just highlight and want it to be an all-over effect, I do suggest you consult your stylist and discuss the options and the modes that you can go through in order to achieve the style that you want. And that is how to get your hair blonder.